Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power front seats, a leather steering wheel, heated front and rear seats, a roof rack, and seat memory. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 20 speakers, delivering the ultimate in automotive sound. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.